What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So, Terra Luna Classic is surprising a lot of people, not because it's increasing a hell of a lot or it's decreasing a hell of a lot or it made a lot of people gains. It made me a hell of a lot of gains. um, but mainly because it's very, very stable. Now, it's not a stable coin. We know that it's not a stable coin. We know that USTC is a stable coin. And we've seen all of this negativity that surrounds Terra Luna Classic, the classic chain, the stable coin there, the founders, the people behind it, right? Um, and you expect to see a very, very large fall, right? A drop because things are just not looking good. They're not in the conversation for the right reasons, right? Um, but I would say Terra Luna Classic definitely is sort of surprising me and making me think that no matter what, we're going to see where we are at, not at the bottom, but as a stable price, right? It is the most stable cryptocurrency that's not a stable coin that I have seen. And people will look at this as a bad thing. They'll say, "Oh, you know what? I don't like the fact that Terra Luna Classic is not moving and the overall market is moving in a green direction. The overall market is moving in a red direction. I don't like the fact that Terra Luna Classic is not moving. Why is it not moving?" And it's a good thing for some people in one direction, then a bad thing in the other direction. I feel like it's a good thing no matter what. So I'm going to explain why I believe this in this video. We're going to look at Terra Luna Classic and show where it is, and also, I guess, look at the rest of the market and understand that. But anyways, guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, as well as my Patreon link is down below if you want some educational content. I do plan on making a step-by-step, really like crypto video on what we should look at when we are investing. And that's taking a lot of time to build the script because it's not something I want to just throw together. You know, I don't want to sit here and just talk to you guys and do what I normally do. I want to be able to break things down a little bit better, edit it a little bit better, show you guys visuals to it as well. So if you guys want to be a part of that, that will come maybe in the next few months or so. I know it's going to take me some time to build it, but as long as I do get a little bit of time, I'll be able to put all that together, as well as just investing in general. I feel like we need all of those. But anyways, if you want to reach out to me over there, talk to me over there, get some of the educational content that is over there right now, feel free to go over there and check that out. The link is in the description. But like I said, let's talk about Terra Luna Classic. If you don't know, I've been invested in Terra Luna Classic since the crash, right? The crash happened. I invested into it. I made a little bit of money as it was at lower levels. Really lower levels went to like $1 and up to $2. And then I ended up taking my profit or something like that. And then it ended up dropping all the way down to a really, really low that a lot of people don't see, that you really only can find on, I think, CoinGecko. And then I was able to make quite a bit of money from it, just from a very, very small investment. And then now I'm sitting on, I believe, as sort of a gold mine here. And a lot of other people may have more Terra Luna Classic than me. They may have invested thousands of dollars, but I know for a fact that, you know, I only invested a small amount to gain what I have gained. And I feel like that's a lot more valuable than investing a hell of a lot of money, having a ton of money and investing it here and just placing it here. You know what I mean? But anyways, in the end, if you become a millionaire, it's still just as good as if I become a millionaire, right? From just this position, or my short-term accounts being, millionaire positions. Anyways, let's talk about Terra Luna Classic. Let's look at where Terra Luna Classic is. And then we can obviously talk about the more elephant in the room, right? Where Terra Luna Classic is pretty stable. Now, if we look at Terra Luna Classic, it's currently at 0.0001617. It's down about 2%. You're like, how is that stable? It's down 2%. Well, I'll get into that in a little bit. We've seen this at a low of 16 and a high of 1681, really hovering around that 16 or 17 like it has been. Anytime this does increase a hell of a lot, we see it up to like 0.0002 and then resisting from that level. And it's not really a large fall, right? It drops down to 0.00018 or 17. And then again, hovers around that 16 or 17 mark, right? Or between 16 and 18. if we're looking at the volume, we see an increase of 38%. We're seeing $120 million or $121 million worth of volume, at which all of that, basically all of it, goes through CEX volume, none really through DEX, which we want to find a way to change. And that's something that I did get some a little bit more news on. And it seems like with the market cap, we keep hovering in between falling or I guess above or below that $1 billion market cap. Currently at a $957 million market cap, previously at a $1+ billion market cap, fully diluted as a $1.1 billion market cap. Again, circulating supply, max supply, or total supply is what we really focus on. We want to see that supply drop down so that we can see the overall price ceiling increase here. And we're not seeing that. Now, to get into the topic of conversation, Terra Luna Classic is insanely stable. We've seen this move up to the crypto market get up to a 1.12 or $1.13 billion or trillion dollar market cap, basically rising from a level of 900 million up to 1.12, right? Basically a 200 or even $300 billion market cap increase overall, right? Going from 800 to 1.12 or 900 to 1.12, depending on which rise you're looking at. But basically, they're rising from less than a trillion up to a trillion and over a trillion, 100 billion over a trillion. But as you see some of those moves, Terra Luna Classic pretty much stays the same. It stays directly in the same slot that it has been, right? Throughout all of this time, right? We look at over a month, it's been in this slot the whole entire time. And even after it kicked back up to 1.0002 and then dropped right back down to that slot, it's been hovering in that slot for a while. Meaning that, yes, you're going to see some push to it. You're going to see some hype to it, some build to it while everything else is running. You're not seeing Terra Luna Classic really run, right? And that's not a bad thing. It's a lot of people will look at it and go, I just want to see it run. I want to be able to gain my gains. But the more stable that it is, the better, right? For us, we know that it has a lot of potential to rise a hell of a lot more. But with all of the people that are staking the position, all the people that hold the position for a longer period of time, I would imagine if you get to a point where you look at the length of hold time, the average hold time in this, that the hold time is going to continually increase, just like it would for, Shiba Inu or ADA or Algorand or something like that, right? Where you have a position that's staked and heavily staked and people are holding it for a long period of time because they understand where this is going to go, the growth within this project. So Terra Luna Classic is probably the most stable, unstable coin or stable. The most stable, not stable coin or non-stable coin that we've ever seen, right? Because it stays within this slot, it stays within this range, and it doesn't really move. Now, eventually, we will see new investors, we will see newer utility, we will see newer buying opportunities, and you will see it be removed from this slot that it is in. But this is the best form of consolidation that we can see. Consolidation is not a bad thing. When you see consolidation, that leads to bull runs. From what I've understand, all the history in trading, in the stock market, in crypto, all consolidation that I've seen leads to a massive bullish momentum, right? Or just massive bullish momentum, not a massive bullish momentum, but multiple moves, right? But anyways, that's what I wanted to talk to you guys about how stable Terra Luna Classic is, and we need to look at this as a positive, not a negative. While all these other people are saying, look, I'm tired of Terra Luna Classic not moving, I'm getting out of the position, go ahead. Get out of the position if you feel like you just want to get into a play that's going to move tomorrow. And most likely that play will not move tomorrow. Now, sometimes it will, and great if you gain something, but Terra Luna Classic has been stable, and when it does blow up, some people are going to miss their opportunity thinking that they're getting out of a position that's just staying flat and not going to move. So anyways, guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. If you guys want to follow me on Patreon or check out any of the referral links that are down there, feel free to do that. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.